Hey makers, this is Dhruvin, and in this episode I'm going to talk about how you can add custom JavaScript file inside your Power Pages form. So let's say for an example, this is one of the page employee onboarding which we have created in our previous session. Now I have a requirement that I want to write some custom JavaScript code onto this particular page, and I can use simply edit code in Visual Studio, and basically it is providing me an option to open the Visual Studio online and I can write my custom JavaScript over here. But with this JavaScript, we have limitation that it only support up to 10,000 characters in the JavaScript file. Sometimes this is very tedious for any developer because business requirements are always complex and we need to write lots of JavaScript code. In this situation, we need to attach the separate JavaScript file and need to attach with the web page that we have created. Now, how we can add the custom JavaScript reference inside this Power Pages? So let's discuss that in detail. But before that, if you haven't followed me on my Twitter and Instagram so far, do follow me. For that, you simply need to open the portal management application and simply you need to go to the web file option. Over here, you need to create a new web file. So let's say for an example, here I am creating a web file for employee validations. You need to provide a website. Here I am selecting this website. You need to provide the parent page. So here I am selecting my parent page as a home page. Now here you need to provide partial URL. So here I want to upload the JavaScript file. So I will use employee validations.js. So let's provide the name like this. Here you need to provide the publish state. I am providing the state as published, and you need to simply click on save. As soon as you save this file, you need to upload the attachment for your application. So over here, I am selecting enter a note and I will upload one JavaScript file over here. Now over here, let me show you how that file will look like. So this is the one employee.js file which I have created. So over here, I created one simple document.ready and I just use one alert function. So I know that this is the external JavaScript which is calling by the external JS. Now the thing is that for this particular file, you don't need to provide any extension. When you save this file, the file should be like employee.js. It doesn't have any extension like .txt or .js or anything. It's just a flat document file that you need to create. Okay, so this is the file and now let's upload it over here. So I'm just selecting that and I'm uploading this employee.js file over here and simply click on add note and that particular file will be added over here. Now you need to copy this partial URL from here because this is the URL which we need to use as a reference. So over here, I want to apply that JavaScript file under this page employee onboarding. So I can simply open the edit code in the Visual Studio. So that will open the Visual Studio for me. As soon as it open it up, you simply need to go to the HTML section. And over here, we need to provide the script code for our external JavaScript. So I will use script type is equal to text JavaScript, and over here you need to use tilde sign and you need to paste the exact partial URL name that you have provided over here, employee validation.js. So provide the exact same name and click on save. And click on save. I'm syncing my changes and now let's test this feature. Click on preview and here we are. You can see that it has called my custom JavaScript from the script reference and it just prompted me this hello message. So this is how you can simply add your custom JavaScript file into your Power Pages. Now this custom JavaScript doesn't has any row limitation. You can add as much as row you want. So hope this Power Pages tip is helpful to you and values your time. Looking for any training or consultation from me? Here is the website. Connect me over there. Or you can connect me on any of my social media handles available over here on the channel cover right page. If you haven't followed my another channel Digital Dhruvin, subscribe that channel and show your love over there as well. With this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session with some amazing content. Till then, have a great day. Goodbye.